If you have a large house, the Wi-Fi signal from your main router may not be strong enough in some areas. In that case, you can use a second router as a repeater and extend the Wi-Fi range. So hey guys, I'm Milan and in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a TP-Link router as a Wi-Fi repeater. First, connect your computer to your TP-Link router via Wi-Fi. Then, open a browser and access the TP-Link router web interface. Navigate to Operation Mode and select it to use as a range extender. Save and reboot the router. The TP-Link router is now working in repeater mode. Now, the first thing we need to do is change its IP to make sure it's different than the main router's IP. My main router's IP is 192.168.0.1. So I'll change the IP of the TP-Link router to 192.168.0.2. Now we need to connect the TP-Link router to the main router wirelessly. To do so, navigate to Wireless Settings. Click on Scan. Here, you should see the main network's SSID. Click Connect, then enter the Wi-Fi password of the main network. It has successfully connected to the main network. By default, the repeater gets the same SSID as of the main network. If you want a separate SSID for the repeater, go ahead and follow the next steps. Click on the Extended Network option. Then type the SSID and password you want for the repeater. Now you have two separate SSIDs, one for the main router and other one for the repeater. Next, navigate to DHCP and select Disable. Finally, check for a connection. So guys, this is how you can set up TP-Link router as a repeater or range extender.